So the cost for air duct cleaning can be anywhere from maybe $500 for a smaller house to up around $1,000. You know, average somewhere around $700 probably for an average size house. This is something that you only have to do every 3 to 5 years. So really, if you break it down yearly, it's not that big of an expense per year, less than probably your Netflix subscription. But a lot goes into cleaning the ductwork. You know, for one, we've got the most powerful equipment that you can buy in the industry. They're big power vacuum trucks. These are really expensive trucks. It takes a lot to keep them going. Then we've got NADCA certified employees. We've got ongoing education. We've got to keep up with that. We keep our guys trained and those sorts of things so that when they come out, you know you've got somebody that knows what they're doing that can go through your ductwork and without having any issues and clean it to the best that it can be cleaned. And then you can't really put a price on the results that we get and the feeling that you have when your allergies are better or your kid's asthma is not as severe as it was before. You know, so health is pretty important to us.